What's going on? What's going on? What's up, Mila? Just gonna be here learning some Flutter. Some Flutter. Flutter. Alright, so today we learn a little bit of Firebase with the flutters. With with the flutters. With the flutters. With the flutters. But you gotta you have gotten like before you even started. Nice hat. Man, this is my Loco Kilo hat. Not Kilo Loco hat. This is the Loco Kilo hat. And if you want to see what Loco Kilo is, gotta check out TikTok. Just look me up on TikTok. I'm Kilo Loco, as usual. And that's where I get to do my fun stuff. Just pure entertainment. It doesn't even have to be learning. It's just fun stuff. All right, let's show this screen already. Cause your boy wants to code. Oh yeah. All right. I'm in some type of delirium type of mood. You see these bags underneath these eyes? It means my body's dying. Oh boy. Pretty rough, but when you're young, you can take it. Can't do this in 10 years. That's for sure. Alrighty. So, what we want to do, new project, of course. So, let's go ahead and change directories into that desktop. Let's make it nice and fat for you. Ooh. Kale learning. Oh, yeah. Yeah, because I want to learn you. Oh, no. Actually, code research. Let's just put it in the code research just in case. Is there a Flutter folder? There is not. So, there is a Protos folder. I'll just put it on the outside. All right. So, we're going to call this Crossfire. Good old Crossfire. And what we're going to do is we're going to say Flutter create Crossfire. Like that, right? Crossfire. Alrighty. So we got the crossfires in place, right? So now we gotta change the directory into crossfire. And we're gonna open it up here because Visual Studio's kinda weird. They open a new window, and I don't know why they do that. Seems kinda weird to me. So Kilo it is. Yeah. So what time is it for you guys right now? Right now it's almost 9:30 for me. 9:30 at night. Had a long day, a long 3-hour train ride back home. I'm kind of tired. I really got to figure out how to create my own starter project because having to deal with this every single time, it's a little bit frustrating. Just saying. It's like, dude, with all the comments, look at all this. This is bad. Alright, so we don't need the counter. As usual, just rip that right on out. Killing me me softly with his song, telling my whole life. With his words, killing me softly. I know I sing beautifully, right? Let's see. Crossfire, baby. Call it Crossfire. You know how your boy likes that perps. The herp of perps. Title is gonna be Crossfire. Like so. Let's save it. Is my iPhone already open? Then let's do that. Oh, that's the one that's coming out tonight too. Bam, you guys get a live stream and a video right after this. Isn't that lovely? All right. So, let me see. What do I do next? Brain's kind of broken right now, guys. It's kind of bad. I'm tired. Having babies and then working late must be Lauren must be proud. Who's Lauren? I don't know no Lauren. Who you talking, Lauren? Lauren me out of my shell? Lauren, she glad I said banana? Lauren, she glad. So stupid. Lauren, you glad I said banana? Come on, dude. Hurry up. Learn the Firebases. All right, I wonder if they have documentation up though. New window. I know that there's I watched a YouTube video on the way over. Dang. It's been a while. Set it up. Seemed pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but you know, that was their job to make it look simple and straightforward. If that was the case, then well, if that's the case, then we'll figure it out. All right, we'll call this one Crossfire. Call it Crossfire. U.S. Central, whatever, I don't care. Yeah, create and accept, because this actually takes usually a long time. What's going on? It says build done, yet I see no progress. What's going on here? Let's stop it and let's make sure that it plays correctly. iPhone XS. Oh, you're dead. Okay. Dead on the inside. There we go. Okay, so now that the simulator's been exploded. Wow, come on. Who's trying to do that? Chill. Okay. Not really sure what's going on right now. You know it's bad when you can't even open the simulator. If you can't even open the simulator, you're going to have a bad time. You're going to have a bad time. So they said, oh, you can drag it from right here. I was posting this on Twitter that it was a pain in the butt to move this thing around. And you can definitely, yeah. Lauryn Hill. Oh, Lauryn Hill. Is that who sings that? I feel like it's older than Lauryn Hill. But yeah. He got me, man. Kilo, wake up. Have that sip. This is almost done and it was just lemonade. It's only sugar high. had my double already. Well, 9:30. That's what used to be my bedtime. Oh my god, what is happening right now? Did I not press play? My god. My god. Alright. Alright, let's see. Do you tell me how to get started with Flutter, though? That's what I want to know. You show me how to get started with Flutter, Firebase, and you're on the next level. I would be extremely surprised if they did, though. Because Firebase has some of the best documentation I've ever seen at Firebase to your Flutter app. But this would be seriously surprising. Install Flutter. Okay. Oh crap, I think they do have it. What? Select the operating system on which you are installing Flutter. Nah. Whoa, this looks kind of funky. Don't want to do all that. Oh no. This doesn't seem right. Yeah, this doesn't seem right to me. Let's see. Alright. Then the video it is. Yeah, that looks a little bit too complicated. Inception! Oh my god! Alright, so Flutter, Firebase. I already watched all of them right here.
Snapshot. And then a few seconds later, it'll be good to go.
Alright, bud. Let's just go ahead and do this playback speed to 2 and put you on mute. Alright, what is this? Okay, so first things first. Damn, do I even still have Android Studio on here? I haven't opened it in a while. Where we go? Wait, how did he find that? How dare you assume? You assume that I have Android Studio? How dare you? What is this? Get out of here. Alright, so... Man, it's been a while since I opened this. Let's see, where did we save it? To the desktop, right? So then it's going to be in Code Research, Crossfire, Android, and then I think if we open this, that's what it wants to see. And then get the boy. Oh boy, if you don't. Android Studio. This thing takes so much RAM, I wouldn't be surprised if the live stream shuts down right now. You could probably hear, oh my god, get out of here, kid. Get out of here. You're scaring me right now. You're just scaring me right now. Oh my god. What did you do? Oh my god. What happened? Alright. How do we go back? Nope, didn't want to do that. Nope. Alright. It's been so long since I've been in Android Studio and used it as an actual IDE. Like, super lost right now. That's the app Gradle file. Let me see. How do I find the dang thing? The name. Download. No, not that. Oh, you know what? I think they actually tell you in the documentation because they're cool. Android package. So your package name is generally the application ID in your app level build.gradle file. That's where I was at. App level. No, this one. App level build.gradle file. And it's going to be the application ID. Which one is it? Let's see. It would have to be this one, but that looks too basic. Oh, here it is. Found you. Learning. We're gonna register our app. Alrighty. So, switch to the project view in Android Studio to see your project's root directory. Alrighty. Okay. And then move this Android module root directory. So app root directory. Alrighty. We can do actually there's a couple of them. So let's figure out how to identify. Alrighty. I don't know why there's so many apps. Seems kind of confuzzling. All right, so I'm going to assume that it's this one. Probably wrong. How is there so many different apps? This doesn't make sense. All right, we have lib source. That one has source. This one has source. App IML. Don't know which one to choose, honestly. So we'll just do this. Okay, can't do that. So let's go ahead and make sure that we download it. And then what we'll do, come on. Whoa. All right, so what we want to do is we want to get it in here. Take a wild guess at where it belongs. We're in the project, right? My application, so it's probably this one. And let's see. I'm going to guess that it's this specific Android one. And that's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to go with that. So there should be some type of insert. Nope. Might be missing it. Nope. Not missing it, just not there. Okay. Oh, that's not good. We don't want that on separate screens. We want that in the downloads. We want the downloads right there, and then we're gonna drop it. We're gonna drop it in like that. Do 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 do. like that. All right, next, what we're going to want to do, oh my God, Google Services plugin for Gradle loads the Google Services JSON file you just downloaded. Modify your build Gradle files to use the plugin. So project level Gradle file, project level. So I'm guessing you're talking about this one. That's what we're going to guess. And what you want me to do is go to the dependencies and drop that boy in there. You know, I should really just be doing this on iOS, but whatever. What? And then app module Gradle file. What was the first one? Look at this file system. This is just ridiculous. So the project build.gradle. So that was the app level. So then we want the project level. External libraries. I'm guessing maybe this one. I have no idea. I'm so confused right now. So this is the project. This is all the project. There's supposed to be a Gradle file out here, but there's not. All right, hold on. Let's do this in VS Studio or Visual Studio Code because I'm getting slightly confused. Source folder. Also, this is Flutter, so it is also extra confusing. So, you want me to go to my project? I believe my project is called app. I think that's what it is. What is the rest? Okay, so in between here and Gradle. So this, I believe, is my project's build.gradle. Or no, hold on. I don't have the patience for this. It's okay. Nobody likes Android anyway. Oh, your live streaming sessions are useful to just follow along with you live. Not this one. Not this one, it's not. Oh man. I'm like too tired to work on that one. Like, you guys got Android got all kinds of weird Gradle files and stuff. It's like, no way, Jose. I don't got time for that. I'm just trying to make an app. I'm not trying to go all crazy. Not trying to go crazy. Yeah, this one. All right, info.plist should be able to find my build. Okay. Jesus. This is bad. All right. So then what we want to do is we got to go to the desktop. We're going to go to Code Research Crossfire iOS. All right. This is what we're going to open. And then when we go over here, we should get our bundle identifier, which is pretty good. So this part right now, we're going to be working with the iOS simulator anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Oh God, I hate downloading these things. I have so many of them. All right. Now what we got to do is let's see. Go to downloads right there. We're going to copy this. Ugh. Allergies. They're getting me. Oh my goodness. That's a big one. All right. So usually put this next to the info.plist, so let's just do that. All right. Right there. Copy if needed. Finish. Rename you. Like that. All right. So what we're going to do, let me think. I think this should already be done because Firebase uses pods, don't they? They have a workspace. Aren't we in a workspace? No, it uses frameworks. I don't know why I thought that. All right, let's go back over here and we'll go to the terminal and we'll do it all from the terminal over here. Give me back my real estate. All right, so then change directory. We're in Crossfire, but we need to go to iOS. And then inside of iOS, that would be like your normal folder for everything. So this is where you would do pod init. And then we would open our pod file. Yeah, that's exactly what I didn't want to do. Thanks for being so disrespectful. So ugly in there. All right, open pod file with visual. Ah, crap. Let's just do it with Xcode. For some reason it's gonna open up a new window, but it's gonna kill my current window. Like, that doesn't make sense, dude. But whatever. Whatever, girlfriend. Whatever, girlfriend. And then we'll do pod install. Get that dirty dependency. Look at all that. Look at all that crap they just dump in your app. Oh, you want Firebase? Too bad. You get everything else. All right. Then what we need to do is this configure, but I don't believe that's going to be in the app delegate. Let's find out. Skipping forward. Well, yeah. Yeah. I feel like you are not going over all the correct information. Are you? Let's see. Yeah, you definitely were not going over all the information. So now you're going to go through, do all the things that I couldn't figure out. So that's under the Android. Okay. And then the one that's actually titled Gradle is the one that you were referring to. That's cool. That's cool beans. Alrighty. All right, let's just go over to iOS, the important stuff. Oh, man. Android sucks. Let's do it. Swift, hooray. I know, I could have been done in Swift already. That's the sad part. I'm so good at Swift, but I'm not good at Flutter, and I just want to be that good at Flutter. What is that? This is Android. I thought we were doing iOS. What happened? What happened, man? What happened? Okay, nobody cares. Get out of here. Look at how much time you have to spend on Android. Just, what is this? What is this? Oh my God. He never even went over the iOS stuff. What the hell? All right, let me see. Maybe I wasn't paying attention. Let's see. That's not iOS. Change directory, iOS, ls, open, runner, XC, workspace. Okay. Okay. Did that. Okay. That's it. Yeah, apparently that's it. So then what we have to do is we have to go over to Flutter and we have to do Cloud Firestore. All right, so let's go over to Flutter and open up some random stuff. I don't think I have the patience to do this tonight. I can't even see right now. Let me see. Where did he even go? Man, if you don't back off. Oh my God. Pubspec.yaml. All right. And Cloud Firestore. Alrighty. Are you getting it from me? Ooh, I love how you just get it from me. Thank you, VS Code. That's kind of sexy. Alright, so now he's just talking up a storm. And such a stupid app. Why the hell would you ever do this? I'm so tired. Oh my God. All right. So you're claiming right now, you're claiming that this is all working. So let's put it to the test. All right, cool. All right, so Xcode build. Xcode build. Okay. What's happening here? Also, what we need to do is we need to go back to Firebase and do this next screen. Because you gonna claim that you're working, but I don't believe it. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. Oh. You want to lie to me, huh? Doo-doo. 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 Don't feel like reading right now. Custom config in order for config. Oh my God. Build your configuration. In order for CocoaPods to integrate to work at all, please either set the base configuration of the target runner to so-and-so, or include pods / target files / pods runner. I'm going to try it again without doing anything different, because that's what developers do. I'm too tired for this, guys. I don't think I'm going to make it. Getting like easily frustrated. And that's not a good situation to be in. So let's see. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do that. Okay, so that's clear. Debug console. So sometimes it just gets weird. So we gotta do rm/r/build. Build. There we go. And then let's try running it, because sometimes it just gets a little funky. It gets just a little bit funky. Running pod install, running Xcode build, and supposedly it's working, but let's see if it's working. Doesn't look like it's working. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Doesn't look like it's working. It doesn't look like it's working. I don't want to make it working. I don't want to do this working. You're kind of pissing me off with your bullshit lies. Don't know why you're not working. I swear to God, you should be working. All right, well, that's a failed attempt tonight. Because I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. You can't make me. You can't make me. Too tired. There's all kinds of weird instructions on dealing with Android. Not even sure how I messed up iOS. It's kind of weird. And I don't know. I don't know. Sorry, guys. I failed you. I failed you this time. This was a failed attempt, learning attempt. And that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. So, what I'll do instead is I'll just talk to you for a couple seconds before I go. Look at this hair. Gotta get a haircut. Gotta get a haircut. So, the plan is to figure out how to make more time in one day. But the second and the backup plan, the more important plan, is to start working a little bit more better, more efficiently. And what I'm going to be doing soon, after I figure out all these basic concepts for Flutter, is I'm going to be putting together a couple of courses. And I'm going to have a course for Swift, and I will have the same exact course for Flutter. Now, if you guys would like to help me out on doing something like that, it's pretty simple. I just need to know, as a beginner, what are some of the types of things that you think are most important to learn? And what do you feel like was, when you were learning, what was something that you felt like it should have been covered more thoroughly, but it wasn't? So if you would like to help me put out courses, then let me know the answer to those questions. That's super helpful. Now, Um, there's going to be a couple of courses, and they're going to just have duplicates across the two different languages and frameworks. And then eventually there will be a Kotlin course to be a duplicate, and everybody's going to be a cross-platform developer. And we're all going to have fun. It's going to be good times. But until I learn Flutter and until I learn Kotlin and Kotlin native, it'll start off as Swift and iOS. And the layout of the course is probably going to be tutorial based on like apps. So you're going to be making apps, and it's probably going to be a couple apps, probably double digits in apps. Make a couple of them. And like I said, each of those apps will be recreated exactly the same for each of the different languages, just needs to be translated. And yeah, those courses actually might be free. That's what I'm leaning towards. Just need a little bit of help, need a little bit of feedback. And yeah, that would be a little bit helpful. All right. Bindu says, is there any framework for payment gateway in iOS? Yeah. Stripe. Stripe. You want to use Stripe payment gateway. That's going to be the easiest thing to implement because it was made obviously by developers, but it was made for developers too. Developers in mind first. So you want to check out Stripe. That will also be another course that comes out. Also going to be duplicated across the way. I'm going to have a Swift course. I'm going to have a Dart course. I'm going to have a Kotlin course. Then I'm going to have an iOS course. I'm going to have a Flutter course. And I'm going to have a Android course. Yeah, something like that as a beginner, or something that was not taught very well to you as a beginner. And I'll make sure that I strengthen those areas up. But yeah. All right, guys, I'm freaking tired, as you might be able to tell. Look at this hair. My God. Probably going to go cut it tomorrow. All right. So, like I said, failed attempt at learning Firebase for Flutter. It's okay. I'll learn that some other time. And yeah. Go out there, keep coding passionately. Unless you're too tired, then go memes. Later. Yeah.